Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. So previous day we discussed on the air around us and we tried a experiment, right, that how the air moves, and we take the experiment, that is the keep a hand on your mouth and blow on your hand. So that time the air is moving and we can feel this. So, this experiment, hope you practiced again in your home. So, today open the next page, page number 46, and your next point is the air takes up space. As we learned, the air is present everywhere. Now I am standing, so air is present around me also. So air is present everywhere here, and you are in the room, in your house, there is also air present. So everywhere air present, and air takes up space. So here is a lot of space, so that's why air takes this space. So take a balloon. You all may played about or with balloon, right? So balloon is that example of this air takes place. If you take a just not blowing balloon and after it blow air into it, if you blow air from your mouth, so your that balloon will grow big, right, will grow big. You can see this. If you take a small balloon and after it you blow air from your mouth, the balloon filled up with air and the balloon becomes bigger. So why the balloon becomes bigger? Because there you put the air, right, from your mouth you filled the air in the balloon, right. So the air that we blow fills up the balloon. Air takes up the space inside the balloon. This shows that air takes up space. So this thing, the experiment with the balloon, we can notice it or we can understand it, that how the air takes up space. If we take a small balloon which is not blown already, so that balloon, if we take it and after it we blow the air with our mouth and that thing we can see the balloon becomes bigger. So here, see, here is the one balloon. Okay. So when you blow the air in this, there is a hole in the balloon. You all can see this. There is a hole in the balloon, and if in this hole we can give the air, we can give the air from our mouth, the balloon becomes bigger. Right. So the small balloon becomes bigger. There is a air, because in the balloon, first of all, there is no air, so that's why the balloon is small. And when we blow air with our mouth, that time we filled the balloon with air. So now the balloon has air inside it. So that's why it looks so bigger. It becomes bigger. So that is showing the air takes up space. This experiment you can try it at your home also, that if you take a balloon and then you blow the balloon by your mouth, you can see the balloon becomes bigger because it has air inside it. Air takes the place inside the balloon. Okay. So that is the one experiment, and next is the air has weight. These things, air has weight and need of air. These two things we will discuss on your next class. Okay, so till now you have to you can try experiment at your home with balloon or with your hand of moving air or air takes up space. And one thing you know this, that you have to read this chapter very attentively. Okay everyone, so that's all. Read it very attentively. Have a nice day and bye.